Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Teams tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to stop Teams from opening on startup. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Microsoft Teams and find myself here on my start screen. To disable auto start I now click on the three dots at the top right corner and go to settings. Here I stay with general and find the item auto start application here. If I uncheck the box, I have already deactivated the auto start for Teams. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.